Imagine a clock in France, not a rushed digital thing blinking impatiently on your phone. This one stretches, sips coffee, and clears its throat before speaking. In French, time is not asked, it is invited. Quelle heure est-il? The clock smiles and answers carefully because in French, time is always singular. Il est. Not elle, not il, just il. Because time, like fate, arrives alone. The day begins quietly. Il est 8 heures. Notice something important. In French, we always say heure in the plural, except for one special moment. Il est 1 heure. 1 hour stands alone, elegant and singular. Quelle heure est-il? Il est 9 heures. On ouvre maintenant. 9 o'clock, doors open, croissants disappear. As the morning moves on, minutes start joining the party. Il est 8h05, il est 8h10, il est 8h20. French time counts forward patiently. No shortcuts, no drama. À quelle heure commence le cours? À 10h15. Ah, a small but mighty detail. When asking at what time, French switches gears. À quelle heure? À 10h15. Il est tells the time. Ah places you inside it. Now the clock gets poetic. Il est 8h15. Il est 8h30. The clock pauses, looks ahead, and dares to count backwards. Il est 9h moins le quart. On se retrouve à quelle heure? À midi et demi. And suddenly the clock stops smiling. In French, 12 o'clock is not just a number, it's a moment. Il est midi, il est minuit. No heure, no numbers, just noon and midnight, standing alone like statues. Il est quelle heure? Minuit. Il faut dormir. France gently suggests rest. After lunch, something curious happens. The clock puts on a jacket. In formal French, especially schedules, announcements, or transport, time switches to the 24-hour clock. Il est 14 heures. Il est 17h30. Le train part à quelle heure? À 18h05. Precise, unemotional, very French. Now the clock stops telling time and starts telling stories. Le matin, l'après-midi, le soir, la nuit. Je travaille le matin. Je fais du sport l'après-midi. Je regarde un film le soir. Tu étudies quand? Le soir, après le travail. Time becomes a rhythm. French loves talking about how often things happen. Toujours, souvent, parfois, rarement, jamais. Je suis toujours à l'heure. Je suis parfois en retard. A confession slips out. And finally, the clock reveals its secrets. En avance, à l'heure, en retard. Tu es en retard? Non, je suis à l'heure française. A wink, a laugh. Time in France is flexible emotionally. The French clock winds down. Il est tard. Tomorrow it will wake up again and ask politely, quelle heure est-il? And now you know how to answer. The clock smiles one last time and whispers, il est temps. It's time. Time to practice, time to listen again, time to say the hours out loud, even if your accent hesitates at first. Pause the video, look at the clock near you, and say it in French. Il est. If this video helped you, like it, share it, and subscribe so the French clock can visit you again. Leave a comment telling me what time it is where you are in French.